How to voice record on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. The Voice Memos app is a built-in tool for recording audio. It allows for quick and easy recording, editing, and sharing of voice memos. You are now in the All Recordings page where you can view all your recordings. Over here, tap on the recording button below to start recording. Once you're done, tap on the stop button. Then, tap on the three dots beside the recording as shown. Select Edit Recording. You can now edit the recording from here. If you want to change the name, then tap on the name at the top and enter a new one. After that, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Following these steps, you can easily voice record on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.